Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy to see you again today.
Hi there, I'm Jake. How are you doing today? I hope you're ready to learn something really useful.
Today's lesson is very important, Jake. We're going to learn the difference between two tenses: present simple and present continuous.
Oh, this is a great topic, Emma. Many students get confused with these two. But don't worry, we'll make it simple.
Yes, very simple. Let me start with a question, Jake. What do you do every day?
Every day, I drink coffee in the morning. I always drink coffee. I usually drink 2 cups.
Perfect example. And what are you doing now, Jake? At this moment?
Right now, I'm teaching English with you. I'm not drinking coffee at the moment. See the difference?
Excellent. That's exactly our lesson today. Let's look at this more carefully.
Okay, so Emma, can you explain the basic idea? When do we use present simple?
We use present simple for things that are true every day. For routines. For habits. For things we always do or usually do.
For example, I work every day. I eat breakfast every day. I usually go to bed at 11.
Yes. And we often use special time words with present simple. Words like always, usually, and every day.
Right. These words tell us it's a routine. Something that happens many times. Not just one time.
Now, present continuous is different. We use it for things happening now. At this exact moment.
And the time words are different too. We say now or at the moment.
The form is also different. Present simple is just the verb. I work. You work. He works.
But present continuous uses be plus verb plus ing. I am working. You are working. He is working.
Excellent explanation, Jake. Now let's hear a real conversation. Listen carefully for the time words.
Hi Emma, what are you doing right now?
Hi Jake, I'm cooking dinner at the moment. I'm making pasta.
Pasta? Do you cook pasta every day?
No, not every day. But I usually cook pasta on Mondays. I always make it with tomato sauce.
That sounds delicious. What are your children doing now?
My son is watching TV at the moment. He always watches cartoons after school.
And your daughter? What is she doing right now?
She's reading a book in her room. She reads every day. She usually reads for 1 hour.
Wow, she's a good reader. Does she always read in her room?
Yes, she always reads there. It's quiet. But now she's reading a new book, a very long one.
I love this dialogue, Emma. There are so many examples. Let's explain them.
Yes, let's look at some sentences. I said, I'm cooking dinner at the moment. Why present continuous?
Because you're cooking now. At this exact time. It's happening right now, not every day.
Exactly. And then I said, I usually cook pasta on Mondays. Why present simple here?
Because it's a routine. You do it many Mondays. The word usually tells us that.
Perfect. Now let me ask you, Jake. Try to make a sentence. What do you do every morning?
Every morning, I am drinking coffee.
Wait, Jake. Listen to your sentence. You said, every morning, I am drinking coffee. Is that correct?
No. Every morning is a routine. So I should use present simple. Every morning, I drink coffee.
Yes. Much better. The time words are very important. They tell us which tense to use.
Let me try again. Now, at the moment, I drink water.
Stop. Jake, you said, at the moment, I drink water. But, at the moment, means right now.
Oh, you're right. So I need present continuous. At the moment, I'm drinking water.
Yes. Now you've got it. Always remember. Now, and, at the moment, need present continuous.
And always, usually, and every day need present simple. The time words are like signals.
Wonderful. Now let's practice with another conversation. This time, listen and try to understand. Jake, I have a question. What do you usually do on Saturdays?
On Saturdays, I usually go to the park. I always meet my friends there. We play basketball every weekend.
That sounds fun. And what are you doing this Saturday?
This Saturday is different. I'm visiting my parents. They live in another city.
Oh, nice. So usually you play basketball, but at the moment you're traveling?
Yes, exactly. I'm sitting on a train right now. Well, not now, but you know what I mean.
Ha ha, yes. Let me ask you another question. Where do you usually eat lunch every day?
Every day, I eat lunch at a small cafe near my office. They always have great soup.
And today? Are you eating there now?
No, today I'm eating at home. At the moment, I'm making a sandwich. It's quick and easy.
I see. So your routine is the cafe, but right now you're making a sandwich. Different action.
Yes. And what about you, Emma? What are you doing at the moment?
Right now, I'm teaching this lesson with you. But every day at this time, I usually drink tea.
So we both have routines, but now we're working. Now let's review the vocabulary.
Great idea. Our first word is always. Always means 100% of the time. Every single time.
I always brush my teeth in the morning. I always eat breakfast. Always means every time, no exceptions.
Yes. And we use always with present simple, because it's a routine. She always smiles. He always works hard.
Next word, usually. Usually means most of the time, but not always. Maybe 80%.
Right. I usually wake up at 7. Sometimes at 8, but usually 7. So, usually, is for routines too.
We usually have coffee after dinner. They usually go to bed early. Usually goes with present simple.
Now let's talk about every day. This is a phrase, 2 words. It means each day, all 7 days.
I exercise every day. She studies every day. We use English every day in our jobs.
Every day is also for routines. So we use present simple. Don't say, I'm exercising every day. Say, I exercise every day.
Now the action words. The first one, now. Now means at this exact second. This very moment.
I'm talking now. You're listening now. Now is for present continuous. Now I'm smiling at you, Jake.
And our last vocabulary, at the moment. This is similar to now, but it's a phrase.
Yes. At the moment, I'm sitting in my chair. At the moment, I'm holding my pen. At the moment is for now actions.
He's not here at the moment. She's sleeping at the moment. Always present continuous with this phrase.
Excellent. Let's do a quick review. I'll say a sentence, and you choose the correct tense. Ready?
Ready. Let's go.
Sentence 1. Every day, I walk or am walking to school.
Every day, I walk to school. Present simple, because every day is a routine.
Correct. Sentence 2. Right now, she reads or is reading a book.
Right now, she is reading a book. Present continuous, because of right now.
Wonderful. Sentence 3. They usually play or are playing football on Sundays.
They usually play football on Sundays. Present simple, because usually is for routines.
Perfect. Sentence 4. At the moment, we study or are studying English.
At the moment, we are studying English. Present continuous, because of at the moment.
Brilliant. Last one. He always drinks or is drinking tea in the morning.
He always drinks tea in the morning. Present simple, because always shows a habit.
Fantastic, Jake. You got them all right. And I hope our students did too.
Remember the simple rule. Time words for routines use present simple. Time words for now use present continuous.
Always, usually, every day for routines. Now and at the moment for actions happening right now.
Practice these every day. Make your own sentences about your life. What do you usually do? What are you doing now?
That's a great way to learn. Speak about yourself. Use these words in real situations.
Well, that's our lesson for today. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new.
In our next lesson, Lesson 10, we're going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns. Words like water, bread, and money.
We'll learn how to talk about quantities, how to use some and any. It's going to be very useful for shopping and food.
So please join us next time. Practice today's lesson, and don't forget the time words.
Thank you for studying with us today. You're doing great. Keep going.
Goodbye for now, and see you in the next lesson. Take care.
Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.